Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial on my channel. In this video I will show you how you can change the sky in the background of your photo, like this photo right here that I downloaded. If you have a good amount of sky in your photo, the Photoshop has a pre-built feature that lets you change the sky so easy, uh, and it looks so original because it puts also a filter on your photo and change the light a little bit to give the impression that the new sky was the original sky. So to do this, select first your photo that you have to change the sky for. Go to the edit tab right here, and here we have the sky replacement feature. Open it, and here simply we have to select the new sky that we want to use in our background. Let's say we want to use this. If you see, the light changes a little bit. uh, um, for the for every sky it has a different light to make the photo look like this is the original sky. And let's say we want to use this, so here you can adjust the margins of the sky, how deep it goes into your background. uh, Here are the edges. If you put more, it will shift a bit too much. Depends on your photo, how this value will be, but I will leave it on 0 because it looks so natural. uh, Brightness, temperature, scale, here you can play with this if you want, but in most cases the Photoshop does the works for you, and it looks so good. Basically this is all. uh, if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you appreciate my tutorials, and see you in the next one.